I always have people on my MySpace, but then they randomly get deleted.
Yeah. Really? I have people on my MySpace who randomly get added.
Alright, now do the name thing. Do the name thing. I want to record my name.
Okay. Oh, his name is Kenny Taylor. It's Taylor, right?
Yeah.
Oh, his name is Kenny Taylor, and he sounds just like a sailor. Oh, yes, he does. Oh, yes, he does. Yay! Woohoo!
Oh, you got to get the whole like thing.
Oh, you wanted all the names?
Yeah.
You just said you wanted to hear yours.
Alright. Oh, her name is Stacy Maloney, and it sounds just like baloney. Oh, yes, it does. Oh, yes, it does. Oh, her name is Laura Driscoll, and it sounds just like a pistol. Oh, yes, it does. Oh, yes, it does. Oh, his name is Timothy Dalton, and he loves the Dolphins. Oh, yes, he does. Oh, yes, he does. Oh, his name is Kenny Taylor, and he sounds just like a sailor. Oh, yes, he does.
I'm not even...
Oh, yes, he does.
I messed up like 3 times.
I think I just actually started touching myself.
Do you think this thing's actually recording to break the camera? What'd you say? I missed it.
She's like, I think I actually just started touching myself.
Alright. I'm going to end this now.
Stop!